In this video, I will show you how to get the Mr. Frosty token in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So there's currently a new token available in Monopoly Go, which is the Mr. Frosty token. So this is available for a limited time. Now, in order to do this and obtain this token, what you're going to want to do is load up Monopoly Go and you want to come into your album. Now from here there's a new album available, which is the Heartfelt Holidays, and at the time of recording it's currently 29 days and 8 hours left of this event. As you can see, there are a number of different sets to complete, and you can gain stickers to complete the sets by going around the board, rolling dice, and completing things like winning the daily tournament where you'll be rewarded with sticker packs, as well as completing your daily wins and the current in-game tournaments where you reach different milestones you're going to receive sticker packs. So if you actually come into your album, there's a setting here called Sweet Home, which is this one here, and if you press onto this, you can see that by completing this set, you are going to receive 420 dice, 267 million in Monopoly money, and of course the Mr. Frosty token. So what you want to do is just go around and collect stickers to complete this set. Upon completing the set, you will be rewarded with this token. And as mentioned previously, to get the stickers for the set, you just need to go around, complete in-game events and tournaments and your daily wins to obtain sticker packs. There's also a trading group, so if you press onto any of the stickers that you need, you can see there's a button here for the Facebook group, and you can actually go and trade stickers in there and ask to see if anyone has any stickers you may need to complete this set as well. So that is how to go ahead and get the Mr. Frosty token on Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.